Good morning, students. So, our first question for today's session is the question we can observe here. A football of radius r, capital R. So, here is in this question, a football is given whose radius is capital R, is kept on a hole. So, we can observe there is a hole which is of diameter 2r. The hole has a diameter 2r and radius is small r. So a football of radius capital R is kept on a hole of radius small r made on a plank. So we can observe here this football is kept on a plank. This is the plank on which there is a hole of radius small r, and on that plank a football is kept which has a radius capital R. So one end of the plank is now lifted. So earlier the plank was totally in horizontal level. So now slowly the one end is now uplifted, so that the plank now made an angle theta with the horizontal. So one end of the plank is now lifted so that it gets tilted, making an angle theta with the horizontal. So now earlier this plank was totally of horizontal level. So now this plank now slowly uplifted that it made an angle theta with the horizontal. So in this question it has been asked what is the maximum value of theta, what is the maximum value of theta, so that this football doesn't roll down the plank. So what should be the maximum angle of theta so that it doesn't roll down the plank. So we have been asked the maximum value of theta so that this football does not roll down the plank. So students, before starting our solution, we must draw the FBD of free body diagram of this football. So starting with the free body diagram, here the component of the mg is always in the downward direction, So mg is always in the downward direction. We can observe here, it is our component mg. Here we assume the mass of football as capital or small m. Here we assume the mass of football as small m. Hence the component of weight is always in the downward direction. One component of weight would be along the direction of plank, direction of the hypotenuse of the plank, and one along this direction. Here it is hole of radius small r, that is the distance from here to the point O where the football is touching the plank is of distance small r. It is the radius of the hole, small r. Now component of mg, other here it is the component of mg along the direction of plank is mg sin theta. Here it is mg sin theta. And component of weight, another component of weight would be mg cos theta. Here it is mg cos theta. Here it is mg cos theta. Now, what happened? For the football to not roll down the plank, we must conserve the torque at this point O, where the football is touching the plank. So there are two forces which would be contributing to the torque. One is the component of mg along the direction of the plank, that is mg sin theta, and one is other component, that is mg cos theta. Now you must got it here, the angle that the plank is making with the horizontal is theta. Then through geometry, this is the angle theta. Hence the component of mg along this direction is mg cos theta, and the other component of mg is mg sin theta. Now balancing the torque at this point O. So we must draw the triangle here. We can observe that this point O, at this point O, the torque produced by mg sin theta is mg sin theta into this perpendicular distance. So I must draw a circle. I must draw a triangle. Sorry. Before this, I must delete this portion to make you understand. Here we can observe This is the capital radius R. This is the radius capital R, which is the radius of this football, and this is the distance perpendicular. This is the distance perpendicular distance. It is the perpendicular distance. So we have to calculate this perpendicular distance. It is small r, it is capital R. We can observe here the triangle, this triangle. It is the radius of the hole, that is a small r. It is capital R, that is the radius of the football. We have to calculate this perpendicular distance. So we can draw a diagram. Here it is the diameter of the hole, it is the radius of the hole that is given in the question as small r. It is the radius of the football. In the question it has been given capital R. So what could be the value? It is perpendicular. So what could be the value of this perpendicular distance? By hypotenuse formula we can calculate it as root under capital R square minus small r square. So the torque produced by this component of mg along the direction of plane, that is mg sin theta, could be mg sin theta into this perpendicular distance, and this comes to be mg sin theta into root under capital R square into a small r square. Now that the component of torque, that the total value of torque that this mg sin theta is producing along at the point O is mg sin theta into root under r square minus small r square. Root under capital R square into minus small r square. Now the torque, now I must delete this portion again. Now the component of torque that mg sin theta, the value of torque that mg cos theta is producing at point O, since mg cos theta is perpendicular to small r, that is the radius of the hole. Hence the torque produced by mg cos theta is equal to mg cos theta into a small r. Mg cos theta into a small r. So I must say the torque produced by mg sin theta at point O is counterbalanced by the torque produced by mg cos theta at point O. For the football to not roll down the plane, the torque produced by mg sin theta must be counterbalanced by the torque produced by mg cos theta at point O. Both torques should be equal but in opposite direction, and by the direction we can observe the torque produced by mg cos theta is in the inward direction at point O, but the torque produced by mg cos theta is in the outward direction at point O. The value should be equal so that the football doesn't roll down the plane. Now balancing this, we must balance this. So mg and mg on both sides should be cancelled. Here sin theta upon cos theta, here comes to be small r upon root under capital R minus small r. So here tan theta comes to be small r upon capital R square minus small r square. So here tan theta comes to be a small r upon capital R square minus small r square. So we now draw another triangle here. We now draw another triangle here. Here it is theta, it is small r, it is capital R square minus small r square. So through hypotenuse formula, Pythagoras formula, through the Pythagoras formula we can calculate the value of hypotenuse here. It comes to be capital R. It comes to be capital R. Now, if tan theta, value of tan theta is small r upon root under capital R square minus small r square, then the value of sin theta must must be a small r upon capital R. Then the value of sin theta here must be a small r upon capital R, and it is given in our option number 1. Hence, sin theta comes to be equal to small r upon capital R. It must balance. Students, so I hope you must have liked the solution and have understood that. So I hope you must have liked the video and the solutions given by me. So thanks.